What's up, guys? So, I've been getting a lot of questions about how do I get the dark theme on my platform. This is the default theme, and as you can see, it's a little bright. And when you wake up, you want to start trading, you don't want the harsh lights on your eyes. So the dark theme is a little bit easier on the eyes in the morning. So let me show you guys real quick how we make this happen. So basically what you want to do is you want to go to setup. You want to click setup. You want to go to other configuration. Boom, you hit that. And then over here, down here, what you want to do is you want to click on this and get away from the default. You want to go to the dark theme, right? Once you get that dark, you want to go on OK and boom. As you can see, this is a lot easier on the eyes, especially in the mornings. You're still able to see your chart pretty nice and bright. So this is basically how I do it. And if you guys like this video, hit the like button. And if you guys have any questions on some tips and other tools that you guys, any questions, just basically comment below and I'll be able to reply and help you guys out. All right, guys, enjoy.